Today guys, we're gonna show you my stadiums. I have only 2 stadiums, but okay, wait, I have 3 stadiums because from the last short, takip ng kaldero eh. Okay, just ignore that. First up, we got a pan. And wait, I just gotta assemble these. Okay, let's just assemble. And actually, thank you so much, guys, for 1,000 views from my shorts. Thank you guys so much. And my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Wait, 100,000 subscribers. There we go. Oh, wait, this is actually called Blue Beagle, but this, no, kaso tawag ko lang dito Blue Beagle, but this is actually Blue Eagle or Blue Peacock. Peacocks are blue. Next, this is Scorpio. This is Scorpio. And next, this is Reaper. Okay. We gotta get to the pan. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Okay, that's Blue Peacock right here, or Blue Beagle. Go Reaper! Ayun na. Oh, okay. There we go. But this stadium is not very good because, wait. This pan stadium is really good for if you want to have some test battles or something. Go Blue Beagle. Okay, they're not battling, bro. Okay, I just changed it to Scorpio. 3, 2, 1, go Scorpio! And I just put these pillows over here so they don't fall. 3, 2, 1, go Reaper! Okay, there we go, guys. Hello! Bro just bursted out of nowhere. Oh my freaking god. Okay, there we go. I got assembled again. Okay, that was pretty cool. So here I just changed the tip because it's too weak for powerful. The red is only the weakest tip. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my! Guys, it just... Okay guys, kinunin ko na kasi lang umasi. Kailangan ko na naman to i-assemble. Eh, okay lang yun. Kasi YouTuber ako. Ginagamit ko pala yung aking iska kong YouTube. Okay lang yun. Okay, go. Nagtalsi ka na naman. Ayan na. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Oh, ayan na. Oy, wait lang. Ba't pa hindi pa sila nakakatalsikan? Ala! Boy! Winners talaga neto. Yung blue. Sabi ko sa'yo, ito yung pinaka-weak na tip eh. Kaso OA lang yun. Next naman ay si Scorpio na may yellow na tip. Ayun na. 3, 2, 1. Go. Shoot! Magaling yan, guys. Magaling yan. Go. Shoot! Ayun na. Ay. Hala. Oh. Hala. Oh, sige nga, go. Oh. Go. Oy. Oh, wala. Talo na yan si Orange. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Talo na yan. Ay, hindi, nanalo pala. Okay. Maganda yung stadium na to. Kung meron kang ganito, pwede mo naman to gamitin sa mga Beyblade stadium mo. Wait lang, ayusin ko nga yung... Ayan na guys, inayos ko na. Babay pan! Ari kong bigat na ito! Ow. next naman, itong upuan na to. Binigay pala to sa Mary Jane. Doon dati kami nag-aaral. So, ngayon, ito lang, mga Hot Wheels truck lang. Tapos, ilalagay dito. I'm gonna make you scared of me. Ayan, so isa ikakapit lang. Ayun, ganun ka-easy lang, boy. Ano, i-assemble. Let's assemble Scorpio. I-assemble natin, guys. Pag tatlo, dyan sa Beyblade, hey, malay mo, masakit yan. Okay, ayan na, guys. Ala! Okay. May dalawa sila ditong parang place para pwede sila maglapit ng palitan. Ay na, pakita ko sa inyo. Stop muna itong mga Beyblade. Ay, ayan na, oh. May slope kasi sila dyan. Kaya sila gumaganon. Okay. So, sige, pakatunan natin. Go. Ba't siya mag-burst? Wala naman yun na... Okay guys, nag-burst yung Blue Beagle. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan, one. Wait lang, wala yun kasi. Two. Ito yung last. Three. Wala! Oh my God, Reaper just destroyed yung dalawang Beyblade. Dinestroyed niya lang yung isa kasi yung pangalawa hindi. Wait lang guys. So ito guys yung pinaka best na combo. Ito. Kita nyo? Ito. Sa Shopee guys to. Ito. O ayan. Yan yung isa. Magbili kayo ng black. Tapos ito din kasama. Kaso hindi kasama ito. Kasi lang ito naman yung kasama sa birthday ko. Gift. Ito naman talagang kasama. Kaso, malay ko sa inyo kung bibili nyo itong attacker na tip na to kasi ito yung pinakalakas na sa birthday gift ko. Yung pinakalakas na tip. That's why. Okay, next naman. Papalitin na natin yung display ni Scorpio na yan kay Blue Beagle. Oh, shoot! Yung attacker tapos tinalunan niya si Blue Eagle. Wait lang nga guys, wait lang nga. Okay na guys, so isa pang battle. Go! Hala! Na-burst silang ba't umiikot pa to? Yung ilaw! Nako guys, ang delikado nito kaya nagtabla sila. So yun yung So yun guys, yung dalawa kong stadium. So tomorrow, ipapakita ko yung isa ko pang stadium kasi parang bakal naman yun. Totoong bakal guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye!